We're standing outside of the campus, just right in front of the Bale building of RSM, with a few students from different faculties, and we're opening up the ground here, planting seeds, pouring water over it, and making sure that in some time there'll be a lot of beautiful flowers and plants here for pollinating insects. This is all organized by the Erasmus Sustainability Hub. So let's get to work.
The bees need food all Today we are sowing seeds, which is a mix of flowers to support pollinating insects. And we're doing that together with students and everyone who wants to join in. Pollinating insects are under the threat of extinction. So the populations of pollinating insects are taking a downward slope really fast at this moment, which is quite dangerous because they're important for the health of our ecology and also for the health of our food production systems. So when you want to produce good fruit like raspberries, strawberries, but also zucchinis, they all need pollination in order to produce good fruit, and the insects are very important for that.
Do you think students are aware of that?
I think students are not too aware of that yet, and that's why we're doing this, to create awareness. Yeah. The initiative Edible EUR is going to continue, so every Friday there will be a gardening session, and next to the vegetable garden there will be a bee hive, so the beekeeper will keep bees there.
On campus?
It's on campus, yeah, it's on the east side of the tennis court, so right next to the tennis court. And of course we're going to keep all these locations that we've sown in today as well. We're going to keep an eye on those and see how they develop. Any volunteers for the breaking up thing? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, go for it.
So this is done, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so why are you here today?
I really enjoy gardening. I come from a small village, so I'm used to be outside and make my own garden and grow vegetables and stuff. So yeah, I thought I should check it, and I really support what the Sustainability Hub is doing. They have a lot of different events for promoting sustainability and making students aware, so I think that's really good.
Right.
And I would try to live that kind of lifestyle, so yeah, that's why I'm here.
We're just doing a lot of silly dances, and I'm not sure why. So why are we dancing?
So we're dancing to trample the seeds a little bit, to get the soil on the seeds well stemmed so that they are well covered by the soil and they get enough moisture to flower and to sprout as well. Yeah.
I think we just save the bees one dance at a time.